Hello, we want to thank you for tuning in and welcome to the Master Vitality Show. And today's video is how to heal quicker by asking these 3 key questions. These are the what, the why, and the how.
You may be wondering why asking yourself these 3 questions are pertinent to a quick recovery. Well, who wants to be living in a painful and draining illness for an extended period of time? Not me.
Yeah, not me too. Let me ask you a question. Whenever you get out of bed, do you ever ask yourself, what is it I'm getting out of bed for? Who am I here to help or benefit? What is my motivation to get out of bed in the first place? But rather, is it just a regular programming for you that it becomes second nature to you? For example, you plant your feet to the floor, you go to the washroom to do your thing, and then you go downstairs to make coffee and start making breakfast and lunch for yourself and your kids. It's a daily routine you have been doing for quite some time now, and because of that, you lost that touch of your inner self, your essence. Hi, my name is Dr. Keith Tong.
And my name is Dr. Helen Tong. And we are your vitality doctors for total transformations. How many of you heard the phrase, your thoughts create your reality? Dr. Keith and I have seen time and time again people coming back to see us thinking they got their health situation under control. 6 months gone by and some of our clients come rolling back in with their original issues or some case even worse.
That's right. Why do you think that is? Do you know the answer? That's because they haven't gotten down to the root of their problem and done the work to truly understand why things are happening to them the way they are. Look, you need to understand the universe works in wondrous ways. You can never think you can outsmart the universe by being 2 steps ahead. It's gonna backfire on you big time.
We see many people enter our clinic coming with all sort of issues in their tissues. Some have diseases that keeps coming back, such as urinary tract infection or painful digestive issues that just won't go away. Some others may have more extreme cases. So the important question to ask yourself to heal quicker is asking why. Why am I having this issue? Why is it manifesting at this time? What is it trying to tell me?
This is about going deeper and becoming truthful to yourself. Have you been neglecting your needs? Are you taking care of others whereby you should be taking care of yourself first? Are you happy with the way life is treating you? Or are you thinking you are just a robot now and you're just plain doing things for the sake of doing? You may be asking yourself what and why things are unfolding the way they are. You may be feeling sad or in despair.
So the common reflex for you now is to book an appointment with your doctor to find out what is going on with you. Now, your time is spent finding what is going on with your health. Your health is now a priority. Nothing else matters. You get a bunch of blood drawn out of you and you're off for some more tests. Result comes back with some bad news and no news. So it is more testing and testing. This is taking a big toll on your time, resources, and finances. In the meantime, you're prescribed meds to keep the symptoms subside.
Yes, the medications. That's right. The constant worry and nagging feelings are now creeping up, where it now becomes unbearable for you. You're losing sleep and you're not eating properly. Your friends and families are now worried over your health, and comes the question about life. What is important to you? You're having regrets now. The shouldas, couldas, the woulda questions becomes a vicious cycle for you.
This doesn't mean it is too late for you. You can get ahead of this. You don't want to be going down that road. So you need to be asking yourself some critical question when things are beginning to show up in your body. There are issues in your tissue. For example, are you not getting enough sleep? Or you cannot calm down, or your anxiety may be getting the better of you and you have unexplained weight gains. These are signs your body is asking for your attention.
Therefore, having the ability to answer these 3 questions, what, why, and how, is crucial for your path to heal quickly. What are the symptoms I am experiencing now, and how is it impacting me? What ability or knowledge do I need in order to turn my health around? And how can I turn this around quickly?
But to answer these questions, there is one big question you must be able to answer to yourself. Is it the most overlooked question? But it is a very important one you be able to answer. Why do I want to live? Why do I need to live? And no, I don't want to hear, well, I'm here for my granddaughter, or I have to take care of this person or that person. No, that is the wrong answer. You are not here for anyone else or anything else. You got to get to the core of why you want to live. You are here for yourself. What is life all about? Why are you here on this planet?
If you can truly answer why deep down in your heart, then all the answers to the what, the why, and the how will soon appear. This means doing the work to find your purpose and passion. That will be your driving factor to kickstart that spark of life, as I call it. This means surrendering and letting go of your ego and doing whatever it takes to gain back your health. This will be the hardest thing you have done because you need to be able to let go of the BSO, the bright, shiny object syndrome, and open up to yourself. It's going to be uncomfortable, it's going to be emotional, and for some, it may be even painful.
By now, you must realize you need a coach or a guide to be able to direct you on your path to healing. You cannot do it alone. There has to be a shift in your mindset. Some of your current beliefs, thoughts, and things needs to letting go as they no longer serve you. You have to start facing any unresolved or suppressed emotion or trauma that are deeply buried in you. It is about practicing the art of forgiveness, compassion, and surrendering. It means opening your heart and letting the emotion flow freely that you buried so deeply.
So, if you can answer the what, the why, and the how, your path to healing quickly is now your reality. Also, look at other forms of treatment outside mainstream medicine, like alternative medicine to self-care practices. These include acupuncture, energy medicine, Reiki medicine, nutritional counseling, meditation, breathwork, massage therapy, getting facials, or doing your nails.
Are you looking for more help beyond this? Please reach out to us. Our information is below. Finally, leave a comment below, hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so for more ways to heal your body with the Master Vitality Doctors. Thank you.